Okay, so it's been a few days since I've cleaned my motorcycle, as you can see. So we're going to show you how Hunter's Bug Cutter works on this nice denim finish paint. It's been a couple hundred miles since I've cleaned my bike, so we're going to just spray down the front fairing today. You want to give it a nice even coating, enough to do its magic. Those little black bugs are kind of a pain in the butt. So as you can see, we spray her down, we give her a nice even coat. What we're going to do is probably let it sit for about a minute or so. You'll see bugs are starting to dissolve in the foam, some of these big yellow ones especially. Well, you want to let them dissolve so that when you wipe it down, you're not scrubbing any hard bugs on your paint. So the Bug Cutter actually has an enzyme in it that breaks up protein in a bug. You're not putting any harsh chemicals on it. Like I said, we're using it on this flat finish paint today. Absolutely safe for that. Actually leaves a little bit of protection behind. Alright, so once the bugs start melting, we're just taking a basic microfiber cloth today and wiping her down. The nice thing about this is I don't have to get the soap bucket out, so I can just do a nice little cleaning so I can get her out to ride again without having a bike that looks like it's just been trashed. So as you can see, there's some bugs that might take another hit, as there was a lot of those hard little black bugs on there. It's always a good idea too to have a second microfiber cloth handy. That way you don't leave behind any streaks. And as you can see, you just easily wipe it down and about 80% of the bugs will come off the first time. And I'm just doing this real quick just so you guys can see how it works. And like I said, there will be just a couple of spots that you might have residue or little bugs left behind, but the nice thing about the Bug Cutter is it doesn't leave behind a film. No streaks, no greasy residue. Has a closed cap so you can keep it right in your saddlebags, and as you can see, that was just a quick, easy detail, and I might hit it one more time and then I'm going riding today.